My room is very small and it doesn't have a lot of storage space, so I wanna move things around a bit. This is the basic layout of my room. I know the floor plan looks absolutely terrifying, but please don't come at me for it. This square cross thing over here is the wardrobe, and I want to move it so that I have space to put either a bookshelf or a mirror next to my bed. Ideally, I want it to be next to the door, like this. And without further saying, let's get started. This process probably looked very satisfying, but it didn't take me long to realize that the width of the wardrobe is too wide, so I didn't really have space to open or close my door properly. So lesson number 1 of the day is to always measure everything properly before you decide to move your furniture around. Today, we are also going to assemble this Anko shelf desk organizer. It is originally $850 from Kmart, but I got it from Marketplace on Facebook for $5. Marketplace on Facebook is a platform for people to sell or even give away their secondhand items. The way it works is quite simple. If you have your eyes on an item, you can just message the seller via Messenger and set up a date to collect. It is a pretty amazing platform for people who would like to purchase more affordable things like me, and the variety of items on Marketplace is actually pretty amazing as well. It has been 4 days since my official move-in day, and I'm still nowhere near done with organizing my bedroom. So today I am gonna spend the whole day assembling and organizing things. I overeated myself this pasta, and I don't know why it came in like that, but it actually tasted pretty nice. So let's get started for the day. Today we are going to assemble the Mulik cloth rack from IKEA. You might be wondering where I'm gonna put this rack in my tiny bedroom. Well, the thing is, when you walk past my bedroom door, you can kind of look straight into my bed. So I want to put this at the end of my bed to separate my bed from my workspace and also from people who walk past the door and look into my room. I have always loved going to IKEA just because the furniture there is very nicely put together, and I'm also fascinated by the idea of me assembling my own furniture. It gives me this sense of achievement and satisfaction. However, this is the first thing that I ever bought and assembled by myself from IKEA. I am pretty excited despite my absolutely terrifying clumsiness. I finally got my piano stand and piano papers from my old apartment to my new one. So let's set it up today. I am so excited. I have been missing my piano so much. This is a statue of Mozart that one of my friends brought back to me when he came back from Austria. I super love it. It gotta be one of my favorite souvenirs ever. Look what I found on Marketplace. It is a portable LED lamp for $3. $3, and it's pretty amazing. It has 3 levels of brightness and you can attach it to the bed frame like this, and you can basically just bring it everywhere. I am just going to attach it to my bed like this so that I can read books at night without having to turn on the room light, which consumes more energy. Another lamp that I really like that came with my room is this tall standing lamp. It just adds a sense of extravagance into my room that I super like, and the light is yellowish, so it's kind of warm and very cozy. That also concludes everything in the vlog today. Thank you for watching and see you later.